In this video, you will learn how to copy a file in Ubuntu and keep the same timestamp as the original file. This means the copied file will have the same creation and modification time as the original. First, open your terminal. You can do this by pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus T on your keyboard. Now, let's say you have a file named file.txt in your home folder. You want to copy it to another location, but you want the copied file to keep the original timestamp. To do this, you will use the cp command with the P option. The P stands for preserve. It keeps the file's properties like timestamps and permissions. Here is the full command: cppfile.txt/path /to/destination /replace/path /to/destination/ with the actual path where you want to copy the file. For example, if you want to copy it to your documents folder, use this command: cppfile.txt /documents/ After you run this command, the file will be copied and the new file will have the same timestamps as the original. If you want to check the timestamp of a file, use the lsl command. Type lslfile.txt. Then do the same for the copied file. lsl_documents/file.txt. You should see the same date and time on both files. That's all you need to do. Using the P option with the cp command helps keep the original file's timestamp when copying in Ubuntu. If you're working with many files and want to keep their timestamps, this method works the same. Just add the P option and the source and destination paths. Thanks for watching.